Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Elvira Fajar Ramadhani from Karya Husada Yogyakarta Health Polytechnic. I will present our research with the title Lego Play Therapy to Reduce Hospitalization Anxiety Scale in Children with Neuroblastoma. This research was conducted with Budi Punjastuti. The topic discussed in this presentation include introduction, method, result, discussion, and conclusion. Neuroblastoma is a type of tumor that predominantly arises in the adrenal gland. The incidence of neuroblastoma is 1 in 7,000 children in developing countries. In America, every year there are 650 cases of children, especially in infancy, with an average age of 2 until 5 years old. According to medical record in Estella Ward 2 of Dr. Sarjito General Hospital Yogyakarta, for the period January until March 2023, there were 6 children. Children with neuroblastoma are required to have frequent hospitalization to undergo one of the action procedure, namely chemotherapy, so that it can cause children to experience hospitalization anxiety. The usual response when children experience anxiety is sadness, fear, more aggressive, crying often, not wanting to be left with their parents due to hospitalization. This is common because children are trying to readapt to the environment, so it is necessary to provide non-pharmacological therapy in the form of play therapy to reduce the negative emotion felt by children when hospitalized. Endorphin hormone in children will increase when children can play Lego with pleasure and pride in the creativity that is built so that the mood will be happy and can reduce the anxiety scale felt during hospitalization. Besides that, the child memory will also be heightened and build positive emotion. This research method is a descriptive case study to obtain a description of symptoms, fact or even systematically and accurately so that it's easy to understand by making observation. Aiming to study intensively from certain social units that focus on the application of procedure for providing Lego play therapy to reduce the scale of hospitalization anxiety in children with neuroblastoma with the subject of one patient aged 5 years 9 months diagnosed with neuroblastoma with full consciousness and has undergone hospitalization no less than once who met inclusion and exclusion criteria. The study was conducted in Estella Ward 2 of Dr. Sarjito Hospital, Yogyakarta. The characteristic of the respondent will G, who is 5 years 9 months old male with a diagnosis of neuroblastoma. After the action of providing Lego play therapy frequency one time a day for 3 days with the duration of each Lego play therapy for 45 minutes, the result showed that the level of hospitalization anxiety decreased from moderate anxiety to no anxiety with the result obtained as follows can be seen the result in the table. On the first day, the patient was assessed by interviewing the parents and seeing the patient respond, and then calculating the anxiety scale using SCES or Spence Children Anxiety Scale. Obtained an anxiety scale value of 48 or moderate anxiety, given Lego play therapy for 45 minutes after implementation. The patient hospitalization anxiety was resolved and the hospitalization anxiety scale was found to decrease to a scale of 14 or mild scale. On the second day, the patient hospitalization anxiety scale 40 or mild anxiety was given Lego play therapy for 45 minutes and then remeasured the anxiety scale and obtained a scale of 13 or mild scale. On the third day before the implementation of therapy, the patient anxiety scale was 29 or mild scale. Then given 45 minutes of Lego play therapy and then remeasure the anxiety scale and obtain the last scale result of 20 or no anxiety. Then based on the graph, there is a decrease in the anxiety scale before and after being given Lego play therapy. Neuroblastoma is a type of extracranial tumor destiny originating from the developing sympathetic nervous system, most common in children, and can be found in several parts of the body, such as in the abdomen, chest, neck, and area near the spine. The percentage of patients suffering from neuroblastoma is more common in boys. Non-pharmacological measures can be given to overcome anxiety. One of which is by using Lego games that can distract children attention and increase memory with distraction technique and can be done independently by children. After conducting Lego play therapy for 45 minutes, within 3 days there was a decrease in hospitalization anxiety in G. Before being given Lego play therapy, the patient looked anxious with an anxiety scale of 48 or moderate anxiety. The patient looked tense when a nurse entered this room. The patient was often angry and crying. Lego can reduce hospitalization anxiety in children because given Lego play therapy can build and stimulate children interaction with nurse and increase concentration in line with research conducted by Mujianti in 2019. Given Lego play therapy for 3 days with a duration of 45 minutes can help children to freely express feeling of fear, anxiety, so that it can divert the children concentration, which is only focused on fear, will switch to Lego games. After conducting Lego play therapy for 3 days with a frequency of one time a day for 45 minutes, there was a decrease in the scale of hospitalization anxiety in preschool children with neuroblastoma. Lego play therapy is a distraction technique asked to shift the focus of children anxiety so that it can be distract and reduce the anxiety felt. After Lego play therapy, the patient look calmer, never cries, rarely gets angry, and scale of hospitalization anxiety experienced by the patient decreased from an initial scale of 48 or moderate anxiety to a final scale of 20 or no anxiety. This is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.